I appreciate the wonderful customer service that I received from Simone Bailey upon ordering and receiving my lock jewelry. Good morning. Good morning. It's been a while, but I want you to know that I'm doing well, and I'm standing before you thanking you for your prayers. When I was having a problem with my voice and my sinuses, it's not completely cleared, but I am doing well, and I want to say thank you. Thank you for my subscribers. Thank you to my subscribers for your concerns, for your prayers. You even typed the prayers in the comments, and I really, really appreciate it. I am so grateful for you. So grateful. And I want to thank everyone for joining the Team G family and treating me like your family. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, come on and subscribe. There are some wonderful people in this family, and you keep proving yourselves over and over to me. Thank you again. Today, I am preparing to attend the homegoing services for one of my aunts, and I am still feeling fine. In addition, I wanted you to see what I received after placing an order with Simone Bailey. The name of her company is Adorn by Simone Bailey. And I ordered some lock jewelry from her, and I wanted you to see exactly what I got. I have not opened the package yet, but I'm going to do that now. I am not going to prolong this video and make it a long one. I will show you how I use the lock jewelry in my hair. I am determined to wear it today. So this is how it came. And now I'm going to open it. Now, when I placed this order, I placed an order for 4 sets. Simone, she messaged me to let me know that if I liked it or placed a heart, if I placed a heart, which she called favored, the item, I would then get a 10% discount. In the message, she gave me a code, but I did not see the code. I expected to get an email with the code. Now, once I placed the order, I let her know what I did, and I said I was going to order it anyway. Her response to me was that she could only give me a full refund for the order since I did not put in the code, or she could send me an extra set. And I said, please do send an extra set. So that just worked out in my favor. Now, inside the envelope that I just showed you is another envelope. And inside that envelope as well is this envelope. And this is the one I'm going to look at first. It says, you're a blessing. And I want Simone to know that she's also a blessing to me. It says, hi, Miss Jean. Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you love these. If you have any concerns, please reach me to address. Thank you and have a great day, Simone. And now I'm going to show you what I ordered and what I received. They are wrapped in this tissue paper, and then they're placed in this mesh bag. And so I should have 5 sets, and I think it was in sets of 5. I am now going to take a break, take my hair down, and put these in my hair. I'll be right back. I'm almost finished taking the braids out of my hair, and I'm only taking it out and not fluffing it out very much because I don't want big hair today. And I used the Sisterlock setting lotion when I was doing my plaits. I just misted my hair and used a little of the setting lotion for each section as I braided. I want to say that I appreciate the wonderful customer service that I received from Simone Bailey. I couldn't have asked for anything better, and I really appreciate it. And if you need lock jewelry, go to her Etsy shop, Adorn by Simone Bailey. She has also jewels as well, and not just the plain ones that, and I call them plain, that I ordered, but I think they're plainly, simply beautiful. She has more to offer than the simple lock jewelry that I ordered, and I just believe the one that I ordered is just simply beautiful. And so now I'm going to put a few of those in my hair. I have no special tool that I'm going to use to put this lock jewelry in. I'm just going to take it, I'm going to bend my hair a little bit and slide it through the hole right here, and it's there. And I'm going to push it up as far as it will go, and that's as far as that one would go. I want you to see what it looks like. I don't want the jewelry to stop in the same place, so I'm going to use a few less locks, and I'm just going to go ahead and slide it through, though I'm sure some people may use some sort of tool to get their locks through the opening. I'm not. I'm just sliding it on up, making sure that everything, all the hair remains. And so notice now I have one here further up. I'm going to try to put this one to go somewhere there. So I'm trying to let you know that there's some sort of method to my madness and putting these lock jewelry in. So now I have about 6 silver and 25 gold. I'm going to change my jewelry for today as well. I'm going to wear gold jewelry. Pretty. And this is what I'm going to do. I may not put jewelry on this side of my hair. I may just let it be on this side. I really like it a lot. I am also going to add some hair to this one. And notice that this one also includes this lock. These locks have jewelry there already. I'm just trying to make sure that, I don't put too much. It's just to enhance what I already have. And there is a lock that's not working with me. I'm just going to let it stay out. And I'm going to slide this one up to this point where it feels a little tight. And so this is how I'm going to work with my hair today. I may let this braid stay here and hide it under just to keep my hair out of my face, and I'll decide later. I will come back so you can see my final look, but you have an idea of how I'm going to wear my hair today. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers and my followers, but I especially love God. because God has been good to me. He keeps making a way when sometimes there seems to be no way. He grants me grace and mercies every morning. He said in his word that he would never leave me and he'd never forsake me. And thus far, he hasn't. So I am determined to stand on his word. Have a great day. So I'm back. I have changed my jewelry. And now I'm going to try to use this lock jewelry to pull this hair out of my face, because I did take that braid down. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take this piece and I'm going to grab one lock from further back right here to try to pull this one out of my face. Okay, so I decided to take that plait out. And since I took it out and I do not want my hair hanging in this direction, I'm going to take hair from here, attach it to this one to see if I can pull it back some. Now I'm using this jewelry not just for cosmetics, but for practical use. And I did not get the results I wanted. So I'm going to try one more. Take some out. And I'm still trying to go take it back. And it seems to be working. This is my look for today. Thank you for hanging in there with me. Thank you.